Oh, yeah, just hit my head. Oh yeah, so we going to the thrift store. Or no, we're not. Comic store. We about to go to the thrift store later though. My. Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
How's it going?
Hey, how's it going?
Yes, sir. Oh yeah, baby. Oh, we got some more Mashland, dog. I need 5, but...
First, I don't have 5.
Oh yeah, they never have the one I need. Y'all know that. Oh, dude, Ranma. So the second to last episode of Dawn of the Dawn, one of the characters referenced the intro to this.
Really?
Yeah, and I looked it up, and it was like dead on. It was really funny.
Any jujitsu that you need?
No, I need 17. I got 14 and 22. Sakamoto 11. Oh, I think I do need this guy here. I think we do need that one. Lots of Chainsaw Man. Fire Force. I think I need 7. I got 4 in there. We're getting pretty close to finishing this one. I think we're only 10 off. Sakamoto 1 and 2, we got both of those. Zom 101. I think this is the only one that's going to be coming up on the list. Everything else is not the one we need or something we already have. Kaiju. Yeah, no. I think this might be... Oh, wait. Blue Exorcist 7. Yeah, I think we're definitely done with the Chainsaw Man for sure. Let's take a peek at some of the figures I got, boys. Got some Soy Phone. Got a little Jujutsu Kaisen action. Got my boy Yuji. We're not allowed to touch him. I almost broke the rule. Kickback reference. Oh, sick, dude. These are pretty cool, too. I really like these. And we got some Dragon Ball up there. Those are pretty cool. I kind of want this Chainsaw Man one down here. I'm liking that. We're eyeing a couple over here, boys. Yeah, this Minato one is hard. Love that one. You gotta come over here real quick. Just real quick. Just because you'll know now.
I'm looking at him. That's so sick.
Don't look at her. You haven't seen her yet.
What's up with that? Is that an artistic thing?
Yeah.
Or does it actually change to...
No, it's an artistic thing. That's fucking
Switched it
hard.
out. This one.
Nice. This Yuji one's new, I think.
You said it's new?
Yeah, I think so. Sukuna. Yeah, a little chibi Sukuna. I wonder if that cover for Absolute's out with Wonder Woman and Batman.
Did you hear about the new Batman Beyond series they're doing?
Yeah.
The
Yeah.
static?
Yes. There's a Wonder Woman down there with the big sword. Whoa, dude, look at this Superman cover. That's crazy, bro.
That's sick too.
Yeah. Those are all really cool.
Yeah, look how metal this Wonder Woman.
Oh, son.
Green with the gold.
Dude, what? That's crazy. You know that's your dog? Oh, are you like looking for that one now? Thank you, sir. Because I think that's as close as you're going to get for the time being. Whoa. This Secret Wars cover is sweet. I have a question for you. Do you know the first issue of Agent Venom, what it's called? Like the
His first appearance or something like that?
Not necessarily first appearance, but like where his storyline kind of starts. Because I'm sure he's appeared before they started his storyline.
To my knowledge, I thought it just started with Flash Thompson having the Venom symbiote, and they like started a new Venom title with it. I don't think they even called it Agent Venom at the time. It's like kind of a nickname it kind of got after a while.
Gotcha. Okay.
But, I think it was just a Venom #1, but I'm not really sure.
Okay.
I mean, of course, unless you're talking, you want Flash Thompson's beginning, and that's
Yeah, that's a whole nother can
early
of worms.
Spider-Man stuff.
Yeah,
But,
gotcha.
other than that, I don't think he actually showed up before that. I think it was
Gotcha.
it's kind of like the current one where it's like you don't know who the new Venom is yet,
Mm-hmm.
and then it's got kind of a military thing, and then all of a sudden, hey, it's Flash.
Yeah, gotcha.
So,
Okay, cool. I was thinking about starting to collect some of those because I
it's pretty
kind of like
cool.
what I'm seeing.
Do you think I saw a thing they're going to be doing a collected thing of that specific one, but I'm not sure when it comes out.
Okay, I'll keep my ears open.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Also, too, when I have something on hold like this, is there a time limit?
About a month.
About a month? Okay, so
Oh, sweet. That's
If
perfect.
you don't pick up your box for a month, it sends us a notification, then we send you an email.
Okay.
And then you get about 4 emails, and if you don't go, you respond to us at least for the last one.
Oh,
Perfect. Yeah, because
It's not cold.
I forgot about this and I was worried. I was like, oh no.
Oh no, like a month is under a month you're usually fine.
thank you, sir. Appreciate you. Oh yeah, bag secured. Samurai Comics, shout out the boys. Hell yeah, that cover is badass. Wait, so is that an alternate cover? I'm glad you got that one. Oh look, wild Chowdy. All right. Pretty good shape. Like the look of it. Oh, sick, dog. Koro Sensei's a reindeer. Hell yeah, boys. All right, so we got, I think, 11 left in this series, so it's fully collected. Holy dude, I don't think we've come here on a Sunday yet. Store number 2, book off. Yeah, we gotta peep the figures. Oh, dude. Whoa, Blake, come here. Yo. 340. Yeah, look, they got a Nezuko right there.
Oh yeah, did you spawn anything in Glendale? You got a whole.
Oh, you know I got you, bro. Oh, 2B.
That was never been on my radar.
From Near Automata, that's pretty fire. Oh, look at that Venom down there.
That Odin ring is sick.
Yeah. Yeah, that is. For 80, that's not bad either. Oh, here's Blue Jay section over here. Oh. Whoa, they got a new Kill la Kill one.
Not the one you peeked at before?
No, but I don't see that one. I hope it's not gone. I bet you it is. I bet you it is, dude. Damn. That's a good one too, the bunny though. I wanted the bathhouse one. Oh, look at that Inuyasha one right there, bro. That's sick.
That's sick too, over there.
Oh, that's Fate Zero Night. That's King Arthur. Yep, she's a girl. Yeah. So in that world, you there's something called the Holy Grail War, and you summon heroes from the past to fight for you. So there's masters, and then the heroes they summon, and the heroes fight each other.
What is the anime?
Fate Zero. So it's very complex. It's like multiple timelines, but it's Fate Zero. So the first one's called Fate Stay Night, then Fate Stay Night Unlimited Blade Works, then Fate Stay Night Zero, then Fate, like there's like 15 of them, dude.
That's cool.
But it's really cool. Her character's awesome.
In the raffle thing, there's some jujitsu stuff.
Is there? Oh, oh, I see it. I see it. I think they're doing My Hero right now. Oh, I see the
All the
jujitsu.
crap stuff is jujitsu.
Yeah. Yeah, I'll definitely do a drawing today. Give me that Sukuna figure.
You see, that's jujitsu.
The full sleeve for 70.
That's kind of cool.
Dude, look at that case for the Halo 4 right there. That's cool. It's like a weapons case. Oh, look at that Rukia Mentori right there. And she's got different faces you can put on her. That's awesome, dude. Oh, there's Yuji and Sukuna right here. Oh, and from Persona? Oh. Well, yeah, but these are the actual Bandai Namco figures. That's why. And they got Fern from Freerun. We'll watch that. You'll like that one. Yes. Here we go, boys. Oh, this is the Blue Exorcist I need? Oh, these are in rough shape, though. That's in rough shape, dude. Can't get down with that. Oh, Black Lagoon 1? Oh, no way. I might scoop this. Oh, I'm scooping this. I'm definitely getting this. Hell yeah, I'll start collecting Black Lagoon. Hell yeah. What a find. Heck yeah, boys. That's what I'm talking about. Let's see what we got here. We're not collecting Demon Slayer just yet, but when we do, we got those right here. Oh, wait, Soy Phone? This cover is actually kind of dope. I actually definitely like that one. I might get two. might get both. Gangsta, got you. No, got you Kudo. Not surprised though. That one's new and pretty hot. High Rise 1 and 2. I have that one. We don't need 9 and 10.
They're gonna love
That's the
this
guy.
letter after this.
This is this is a retro anime we're gonna watch. This Black Lagoon.
What is that?
It's like a sleeve to keep it shut.
Yeah, I'm so mad about this. This is such a sweet deal, but
Alright. You should, you know what you should do? You should learn how to restore books. So you can get something like that and then just restore it. Damn, Noragami 1 and then 23. That's a big jump. Persona 5. Rent a girlfriend. There you go, Blue Jay. That's for you, buddy. Ooh, Zom 102. This is one we've been looking for as well. Ah, that's sick. I like the pose on that too.
it's only $15.
Grab that, homie. Yeah. I mean, I'm sure you gotta see what the kind of shape the actual figure's in. Because that's just a box, but yeah. Dude, stop breaking the merchandise. What the frick? Whoa. It's a Japanese figure too. I think that's the one we saw in the case over there too. I think it's the same figure. Whoa, Death Note. Whoa, that cover's sick. I kind of might get this now. That's kind of dope. The original Soul Eater from Japanese. It's a pretty cool chapter too. I think we might take advantage. These are all novels in Japanese. See, my thing is like this would be cool to have in the Japanese version, but it's just to own. Like I'd never read it.
Yeah, that's sick. Also, not much you love, like, because it's like if it was Bleach or Jujutsu, it's a no-brainer.
Yeah, you're right. And I do love Soul Eater. You're right as well.
Because like I would grab whatever Bleach if there was a bunch. I would totally do that.
Oh, Tengen. Sorry. Yeah, no, that is it. Oh, yes. Whoa, dude. Finally, one that isn't Rukia. It's Bombi. Look, she's got a little heart belt right there. I wouldn't mind collecting that series. Maybe they got the wrong Giku one, dude. Dude, look at this Bulma. That's awesome. Oh, here we go. Relax time, Shion. Blue Jay, this is all for you, dude. I think Parsley has, and she's sitting on Rimuru. That's awesome, dude. That's so cool. That's clean.
$5.
That's a good time for you too, bro. Because you don't really give a shit. You just want to collect the figures you want right now. You're still kind of getting into it. Oh, Joker.
That's kind of clean though. You just got the Demon Slayer.
Yeah. Whoa.
Well, but I want to get it just to get it either.
Yeah.
It's $5. I want to get something out of one of these real bad, but there's nothing. Wait, that might be a good one.
There's no Bleach ones you've looked? Oh!
Well, I have before, but you never know.
That Chainsaw Man might be cool. Yeah, any JJK, anything like that. Ha! It's got Rimuru's, all the different slimes. That's epic, dude. That's so cool. What a good idea. Gintama. I'm gonna watch that at some point. I heard that's really good.
I was looking at this one up here.
Oh, how cute.
Okay.
She's super badass in the show she's in. Did you want to look anywhere else? Did you look at the retro games yet? Let's see if they have a copy of Silent Hill Downpour. I doubt it, but you never know, boys. We're on the hunt for that so we can play it. QRS. Doesn't look like it. Damn. This is an awesome game, by the way. I used to play this as a kid all the time. Probably doesn't age very well, but it's mad fun. Splinter Cell, Knights of the Old Republic. That'd be fun to have physical. Oh, Simon Kagura. That's sweet. Looking for Bleach.
Or Bleach, or like I think Kingdom Hearts would be a sick find with CD.
Alright. Snags from Book Off. Black Lagoon 1. Black Lagoon 2. We got our Jujutsu Kaisen drawing. We didn't get the figure, goddammit. But we got this. We're gonna see what it is. I'm gonna rip it open like a kid on Christmas. Ah, come on. Give me Kugasaki. Oh, that's pretty sweet. I ain't mad at that. It's Yuji. We'll take a Yuji keychain. Huzzah!